Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and fine. So today's video is going to be a different kind of video. It's not a review. You may say it's a review kind of video, but not a review. You will understand it's all about how to use those products you don't like or you don't use it. You used to like some products, but your skin type has changed, so now you can't use it and you can't give it to someone, or you don't want to throw it away because you purchase something by your hard-earned money, or maybe it's by your parents, because money is not a thing which comes easily. You need to work hard to get money. Who is giving this tip? When I was in 11th standard, I used to eat a lot of junk food, a lot of fast food. Now I am giving you tips, that now I am saying you that don't waste money. Anyway, let's just come into today's topic. So today's video is all about that, and I think after watching this video you will get some idea how to use particular products which you don't like. I think I am becoming more टॉकेटिव डे बाय डे, बिकॉज पहले मुझे थोड़ी सी शाय लगती थी, मतलब थोड़ी सी शर्म आती थी, और यू मे से आई वॉज नॉट मच एक्सप्रेसिव, बट नाउ डे बाय डे आई थिंक आई एम बिकमिंग टू मच टॉकेटिव. माई लास्ट वीडियो was 38 minutes long. Oh my god, and I edit this video so much that it becomes 11 minutes. I delete so much of footage. Anyway, now again I am blabbering. So now, without any further blabbering, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so the first product we have is that Parampara Ayurved Lavanya face pack for oily skin. Okay, so if you are following me since a very long time, you know that I have dry skin. So you may say this face pack is doing in your house because this is for oily skin. Okay, so in 2019 my skin type become changed. My skin type become oily from dry. So I got so many acne, so many pimples, and my skin condition become so worst. And I used to wash my face with water after 2 or 3 hours, but still my face was secreting oil so badly. And I think I need to change my products. That's why I bought this face pack, which is for oily skin, and it does wonder to my skin. My acne, my pimples removed within a week or within 1 or 2 weeks maybe. And obviously my skin texture become changed. It didn't make my skin worse, but the way I was secreting oil from my face, वो कंडीशन कुछ हद तक ठीक हो गया, ठीक है. बट आफ्टर दैट again I become dry skin, and when I applied this, it didn't suit me. It was making my skin drier day by day. That's why I stopped using this. So I use this as a body pack, and इसका कुछ side effects नहीं हुआ. So if you have any face pack, any particular face pack which you don't use or which you don't like, और मेरे जैसा कुछ हालत था कि ड्राई स्किन था, उसके बाद ऑयली हो गया, फिर से ड्राई हो गया. नाउ ऑयली स्किन वाला प्रोडक्ट आप यूज नहीं करना चाहते और यूज कर नहीं पा रहे हो, so my recommendation is that, so I will say that use those products on your body. I hope it will not give you any kind of side effects. Now second thing, let me show how much I have finished. You can clearly see I have finished this much of products, obviously because it it suits my skin, it makes my skin better. But again, when my skin changed into dry skin, I couldn't use it. Now next stuff we have is that this moisturizer. This is Glamour World Ayurvedic Glow Fair Moisturizer. Now you can see I have finished more than 95% of this moisturizer. Again, I bought this in the summer of 2019. That time the moisturizer was so good for me. You can see I have used this. I have used almost 95%. अब बस खत्म होने ही वाला है. But when winter came in the 2019, I couldn't use it because it didn't give me enough hydration which I need in the winter. So I stopped using this in the winter, and again when I start using this in the 2020 summer, I don't know why the smell of this product becomes so awkward. I mean, I'm not a person who is allergic to fragrance, but the smell is really awkward. But ऐसा शुरू में बिल्कुल नहीं था. शुरू में इसका फ्रेग्रेंस काफी अच्छा था. I don't know why the smell just become awkward, and I don't know. I don't have any clue why the smell become awkward. The product is not expired yet. The expiry date is July 2021, but currently this is March 2021, and I don't know why this smells so awkward. So I use this on my knees, on my elbows, on my knees, and on where I got shoe bite, because this product says that it will remove your tan and even out your skin tone. So that's why I use this on my elbows, on my knees, on the area I got shoe bites. Well, you can also use this trick, because if there are some product in your house which is meant for detan your skin, but it's not suiting you, okay, that's totally okay, because everyone's skin type is different. So if these are not suiting you, you can use this trick. You can use it on the elbows, on the knees, on your underarms, and on the area you got shoe bite, or though on those area where you have dark spots. Those products I think will help you to even out the skin tone. And the third product we have is this Glamour World Glow Fair Moisturizer Male. Well, I didn't buy this. Well, I got this product free from with a cream. This is a male moisturizer, and no one uses this in my home. So as this is a male moisturizer, the consistency is too thick and I can't use it as a face cream. So what I do, though it is a face cream for male, not for female, so what I do, I use this moisturizer, I mean male moisturizer or face cream, whatever you say, on my hands, because my hands are too dry. But I use this at the night time, not in the daytime, okay? Because if I apply this on at daytime, it makes my hand oily and greasy, because my hand sweats a lot. I mean, I sweat a lot, especially my hands. So what I do, I use this as a hand cream and at the night time. So if you have any kind of male moisturizer or any thick consistency moisturizer which you don't use, or you don't like too much thick moisturizer, you can use on those areas which are too dry. For me it's my hand, for you it could be your elbows, it could be your nail area, or it could be anything. So use those products on there. Okay guys, so I think I have gave you enough idea how to, not enough but yeah, little much idea ki how to use products you don't like or don't suit you. So you can apply this. There is some product in your house जो बस ऐसे ही पड़ा था, उसको उठा के फिर से यूज करो. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. It just motivates me. Like से कुछ भी नहीं होता. And yes, subscribe to my channel because I need to reach 100 subscriber before my birthday. My is on 17th of April. उसके पहले मुझे 100 subscriber reach करना है. So please subscribe to my channel. And also, if you found this helpful, useful और enjoy किया है तो family या friends के साथ भी share करो. उससे मुझे भी थोड़ा सा help मिल जाएगा. Now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye and yes, tada.